Hi, my name is Jonathan Liu, and I am doing a proposal for Samsung. Samsung is one of the most innovative technology companies in the world, and they always aim to live by their motto, inspire the world, create the future. By doing so, this is most notable when they spend over $16.8 million of the revenue onto research and development. With this, I propose that Samsung should put Tizen, which is the operating system that they created, as their main operating system instead of Android, because Android is owned by Google. It's, by doing so, Samsung will be able to acquire a potential opportunity for an increase in new sales. Although Android is an open source platform, the problem of having Android as the operating system is that Google has control over Samsung's smartphone. A majority of the Samsung apps are from Google, such as Gmail, YouTube, or the Play Store. If Samsung wishes to capitalize more, they should focus on making Tizen their own operating system, so they can also create apps that with apps that will also come with Tizen. They first experimented using Tizen in the global market is when they released the Samsung Z1 in India. That product sold more than 1 million phones, which shows that even if Samsung doesn't use Android as their operating system, it would still be highly successful in selling. However, the drawback is that Tizen is still not yet fully developed as the Android operating system or Apple operating system. But with their investment in research and development, Samsung would be able to compete with those operating systems. The opportunity that Tizen that presents is that since it is an open source operating system, it allows independent hardware and software manufacturers to implement Tizen into their own product and utilize it. Tizen is able to support a wide range of Internet of Things ideas. The development process of Tizen has a main operating system which is relatively simple. Instead of implementing Android, they will implement Tizen, such as they did for their smartwatches or for the Z4. Their investment in research and development can also be invested into developing Tizen to be more advanced. By doing so, they can create future job opportunities for hundreds of people that wishes to work with Samsung. But because they don't use Google anymore, they will have to write new JavaScript to create apps specifically for Tizen that will replace YouTube or the Play Store or Gmail. Samsung has a large revenue that allows them to easily perform these replacements. In addition to this, Samsung can also enhance their products because now all their products are under one operating system. Being a technology company, they have a lot of experience and vast knowledge in innovating their products to reach their company goal of bringing real value to consumers by launching differentiated products and technologies. Furthermore, since their products are supported by Internet of Things, their products seem more appealing to purchase. Most importantly, software developers will be able to use this new system, which will benefit Samsung as they can generate more and more because they will create a lucrative partnerships with these independent contractors. However, the drawback is that since it is going to be a new operating system for Samsung to use, they had to compete with Apple, Google, and Microsoft operating system. Though Microsoft isn't heavily involved in creating smart devices, their operating system Windows is highly advanced and poses a threat, but Samsung can learn from how they constantly update and upgrade their operating system, so Tizen can be just as highly advanced. Apple poses the greatest threat, but since Samsung has the advantage where they're the largest company in electronic manufacturing, they create more than just smartphones and tablets. They create LCD TVs and also appliances for kitchen, such as the electronic fridge. And overall, by using Tizen, Samsung will be a more attractive platform for developers to invest in, and in return, that will help Samsung greatly. Thank you.